All right, so Palantir stock today, it's down around 6% and it's still trading. Last day of the week, last day of the month, last day of the quarter. So 23 bucks, that's where it's trading. Let's have a look at purely technicals. I have already expressed my feelings and my thought about this stock many times on my other videos, but this one purely just price levels I'm watching for this stock and option activity. So today, let's have a look at the resistance level that I was watching. So 25.50, 25.47-ish level. This was the resistance and it stayed as a resistance for quite some time. This pop was the event where they got a contract or something like that, and ever since it's been pretty much in a downtrend. You guys can see that stock has been in a downtrend ever since. Okay, you can consider this low today as a lower low, but on a daily chart, another thing I want to mention right here right now is this stock is sitting at the support of this $23 is your line, but right below this 50-day moving average, slightly below, that's your support as well. But look at this formation right here right now. It could be head and shoulders easily. This is your head, this is your shoulders, which is bearish pattern, could definitely come. And if it wants to fill this gap that it created after earnings from around 17.55 all the way to $20 and basically all the way to 20 bucks, this gap, if it wants to fill, it would come right back down to this trend line that I'm watching, and this trend line is from its lows back in June when they reported earnings, and then to its most recent earnings report support. So that's the basic technicals I'm watching for this name. In terms of options, yes, let's have a look at this one. So I'm looking at the total among all of the expiration dates this stock has. I'm looking at the total 1.6 million call volume, open interest, and 1.1 million put open interest. One thing I want to mention here is that is standing out significantly is outside of the money open interest, 1.1 million. Same thing with the puts. From all this 1.1 million total open interest, 921,000, basically 90%, is outside of the money. So could be a lot of selling going on, calls being sold, puts being sold. And this stock, I mentioned many times that it is a slow stock. Okay, it has significant outstanding shares. Look at it. Maybe Apple has same amount of shares as well. 2.2 billion outstanding shares. Okay, not a million, not 200 million, 2.2 billion outstanding shares. So it doesn't make fast, quick moves. If it comes down, it's gonna be slow downtrend like this, or it's gonna be slow uptrend, or it's gonna be choppy. So it's not, I wouldn't trade options. Of course, today in the morning they got downgraded because some people think that it's overvalued. Of course, we talked about this one many times, that it is overvalued at these levels, but there are a lot of people who are getting caught in this top, basically local top, 52-week top. I don't want to call names, but there are many people on YouTube pump the hell out of this name. But for me, I'm still standing with my prediction of this stock eventually coming down to 18, maybe even 14 levels, these support levels at some point in the future. So that's my take on technicals for this Palantir PLTR stock. Thanks for watching. Not a financial advice. Take care. Peace.